Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about headphones that are disconnecting again and again. I'll specifically be showing and telling you how to fix them in an easy tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video is as follows. Headphones are disconnecting again and again, and I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to fix them in an easy tutorial. Let's get into this. So, how to fix them, as in your headphones, that are disconnecting again and again, an easy tutorial. Just for fun, I'll say it one last time to drive the point home, and then the rest of the video is going to be short and sweet, but I'm not redoing this video, so I'm just going to say the title one last time. The specific title and topic of this video is as follows. I will be telling you and showing you and explaining to you about headphones that are disconnecting again and again. Once again, how to fix them in an easy tutorial. Let's get into this. I'll be going over 5 easy fixes. And I'm sorry about that minute-long intro. Just, I've been doing a lot of videos and my mind is everywhere and I want to get my videos straight with regards to which one I'm doing. This is, I think, my 17th video that I'm on for the day. So I'm starting to lose it. But anyways, let's get into this. So your headphones keep disconnecting. Obviously, I'm talking about wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones, not wired ones, but these are just the ones I used for, showing you what I'm talking about. So let's get into the 5 fixes. The rest of this video is going to be short and sweet. Let's get into this. Number 1 is, let's try that again. I'm too hyped up. Number 1 is they have a super low or defective battery. So very rarely, but when your headphones get a low battery, when it's really, really low, imagine like lower than 1%, they'll have trouble connecting and they'll keep on disconnecting again and again. They'll continue to disconnect over and over again. Okay? Now, your headphones might show 10% battery, but if your battery is defective, it might be reading as 10%, but maybe it's just very, very small. So your headphones are trying to stay on, but there's not enough battery life to keep them on. So some of the features take a hit, basically, which might be the connection of them. So maybe the battery is just bad or it's super low and you don't even know because maybe it's reading as a different battery life than it actually has inside, okay? Charge them up for half an hour. That's the easy fix to that. Number 2 is maybe there's a bad connection to begin with. So maybe the first time you connected the headphones, just a poor connection to begin with. The easy fix to that is just, disconnect them and connect them again. I would suggest that you go into your Bluetooth settings and forget the device, okay, of the headphones, and then reconnect them again. So completely forget about the device and connect them fresh. That'll correct that. Number 3 is maybe there's interference. Now, nowadays, because of the way our technology is, interference is hard to come across in the sense that very rarely will your Bluetooth headphones disconnect because of interference, but they might. So what I suggest is think about, are you close to any other dominant wireless thing? Are you right beside your router? Because that could cause some interference, right? Are you right beside, a TV? Because that could cause some interference. Just move like 5 or 10 feet away and any interference that was existing will probably be gone. So try that out. Number 4 is maybe you have old software or old firmware on your device. So maybe you're connecting your headphones to your phone and your phone has an outdated firmware or software that would cause them to disconnect. It could cause them to disconnect. And the solution is update it. Very simple, if you can, if your phone allows for it. Last but not least, number 5 is maybe you're too far away. Now here's the thing. I have a Bluetooth speaker upstairs in my kitchen that myself and my wife use to play music. Whenever it's after dinner and if we're doing our nightly routine with the kids, we put on some music, some kids songs, some of our songs, whatever. It's fun. And sometimes I'll have my phone in my pocket and as I get further away, the phone will just fade in and out and eventually will disconnect. So maybe you're just too far away. Move closer to the device and see if that solves the connection issue or the disconnection issue. And that's essentially it. That is, if your headphones keep disconnecting again and again, how to fix them easily with 5 easy solutions in this easy tutorial, this step-by-step tutorial. And that's it. Once again, sorry about the long intro. I gotta cut that out. I did it a few times in the last few videos that I did. I gotta just cut it out. So anyways, I'm gonna end this video now so I don't take up any more of your time. And I'm trying to get through these last videos so I can go and have my lunch because I'm absolutely starving and super dehydrated as well. So anyways, that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why. And we're going to finish this. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.